For the Indian blockbuster RRR, we worked on the big rescue scene in the beginning of the film. We combined physical miniatures, fully computer-generated environments, crowds, fire simulations, and more. Overall visual effects supervisor Srinivas Mohan approached us with the task of making 8 miniature model oil train cars. These models needed to be made in full metal in order to take the heat from fire and explosions. In order to get the models made in time for shipping and filming, we hired a specialized workshop in Virginia, USA. Led by our miniature effects supervisor Silas Pulse, the team created the train cars with iron-cast, fully functional trucks. Loaded in a 20-foot container, the models were then shipped to Hyderabad, India. A few months later, a small Surpreeze team traveled to India to oversee the miniature shoot and full-scale principal photography.
Action!
We also gathered on-set data and references. The whole scene is created with only a few practical set pieces. Everything else is either practical miniatures or fully computer-generated. To find inspiration for the river village environment, we traveled to Rajamouli at the east coast of India. Here we scanned textures and captured drone footage as reference for the environment built entirely computer-generated. Back at our office in Copenhagen, our visual effects team spent months creating environments, hero assets, and composite everything together. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.